Have you ever entered a trade confident in your setup, but ended up losing more than you planned? It's not your analysis that's the problem. It's your risk management. Introducing Risk Manager by BCB Elevate, a free EA that calculates the perfect lot size for every trade in seconds. Watch the video and know how to use this in every pair, including XAU USD. Alright traders, now let's quickly see how to install and use the Risk Manager by BCB Elevate inside your MT5 platform. Step 1. Install the EA. After you download the file, open your MetaTrader 5. In the top menu, click File, Open Data Folder. Inside that window, open the folder called MQL5, then Experts. Now, simply copy and paste the EA file into that Experts folder. Once it's there, close the folder, go back to MT5, and right-click on Expert Advisors in the Navigator panel. Select Refresh. You'll now see Risk Manager by BCB Elevate appear in your EA list. Step 2. Attach EA to a chart. Drag it onto the chart of the pair you want to trade. For example, gold. It works perfectly on all symbols and all time frames. When you attach it, make sure algo trading is enabled at the top of your platform. If you see a red icon, click it once to turn it green. Step 3. Set your inputs. In the EA Inputs window, set how much of your account you want to risk per trade. For example, set 1.0 equals 1%, or 2.0 equals 2% of your capital. You can also choose whether to use equity or balance for the calculation, and whether to apply the EMA trend filter. Once done, click OK. Step 4. Use the dashboard. Now, you'll see a small dashboard on your chart. In the first box, type your stop-loss price, the exact level you plan to place your SL. Then click the Calculate button. The EA instantly shows the exact lot size you should trade to match your chosen risk percent. For example, if you risk 1% on a $1,000 account, it might display lot 0.05, side equals buy, meaning you'll lose exactly $10 if that SL is hit. If your SL is above price, it will suggest sell. If below price, buy. Step 5. Start the trade. When you're ready, click the Start button. The EA automatically opens the trade with the correct lot size and the stop loss you entered. Everything happens instantly. No manual lot math, no guessing, no risk of over-leveraging. And that's it. Remember, this EA doesn't open trades on its own. It helps you open smarter trades with controlled risk. If you have any trouble installing or using this EA, just message us on WhatsApp. The link is in the description. We'll help you step by step and make sure your setup is running perfectly. In Forex trading, the position size, or lot size, determines how much money you risk in each trade. Even if your strategy is perfect, without correct position sizing, you can blow your account in just a few trades. Position sizing simply means adjusting your lot size so that you only risk a fixed percentage of your account. For example, 1% or 2% per trade. If your account is $1,000, risking 1% means you're willing to lose $10 if the trade hits stop loss. If your stop loss is wider, say 100 pips, the lot size must be smaller, around 0.01 lots. That's how professional traders survive in the long run. They protect their capital first. Most Forex traders lose money not because they can't analyze charts, but because they trade random lot sizes. They risk $10 on one trade, $50 on the next, and $100 after that. One bad trade wipes out all the previous profits. Manual lot size calculation is slow, confusing, and easy to mess up, especially when the market is moving fast. That's why we built Risk Manager by BCB Elevate, a free tool designed to make smart risk management automatic. You just enter your stop loss price, choose how much percent of your capital you want to risk, and the EA instantly calculates the exact lot size for that trade. If your SL is below price, it automatically places a BUY trade. If your SL is above price, it places a SELL trade, all with one click. It works on any symbol: currency pairs, gold, XAU USD, indices, crypto, everything that trades on MT5. And it's fully compatible with funded accounts, real accounts, or cent accounts. Let's take an example. You have a $5,000 account, and you want to risk 2%. That's a $100 maximum loss. You enter your stop loss at the chart. Risk Manager automatically adjusts your lot size so that even if you lose exactly $100. No more surprises, no more oversized positions. Whether you're trading gold with a wide stop loss or EU RUSD with a tight one, the EA adapts perfectly every time. It removes emotional decisions. It saves time during volatile market moves. And most importantly, it helps you protect your capital. The number one rule of trading. Proper risk management gives you consistency, confidence, and control. Because when you know your risk before entering a trade, you can think like a professional, not a gambler. That's what Risk Manager by BCB Elevate is built for, to help traders trade smarter, safer, and stress-free. And the best part? It's 100% free. So if you want to trade with discipline and confidence, get this tool today. And that's not all. At BCB Elevate, we've built many more powerful algos and tools designed to make your trading smarter and more profitable. If you have any doubts or want to try this Risk Manager EA, just contact us directly on WhatsApp or click the link is in the description below. Our team is always ready to help you set it up and guide you personally. Also, if you trade using our partner brokers, you'll get exclusive access to our premium TradingView indicators and automated algos absolutely free. These tools are the same ones we use every day to trade gold, Forex pairs, and funded accounts with consistency and precision. You'll find our broker links in the description. And if you need help to switch your broker account under our partnership, don't worry. Just reach out to us on WhatsApp and we'll help you make the change step by step. Join the BCB Elevate community today. Trade smarter, manage your risk like a pro, and start building long-term success in the Forex market.